Stress balls are soft, pliable, and easy to squeeze objects designed to provide a physical outlet for stress, tension, and nervous energy. The tactile experience and repetitive squeezing of stress balls can offer a soothing sensory distraction that effectively redirects your attention away from anxiety. For many people, they are a practical and simple to use tool for managing brief episodes of stress. The effectiveness of stress balls varies among individuals and depends on the specific situation and the underlying cause of stress or anxiety. While some may find them useful for mild stress relief, research on their effectiveness is mixed. One study investigated the impact of using a stress ball as a distraction method on stress, vital signs, and comfort levels in hemodialysis patients. The research involved 45 people, with one group using a stress ball during dialysis session. The stress ball helped reduce stress in the group that used it. Another study found that stress balls used during lithotripsy procedure for kidney stones were found to have a positive impact on reducing pain levels in patients. However, they did not significantly affect anxiety levels during the procedure. Further research is needed to better understand the effectiveness of stress balls in managing pain and anxiety in these contexts. Stress balls may be helpful for anxiety in some cases. They give you something tactical to focus on and can help you relax by squeezing and releasing. But keep in mind that they work differently for everyone and are usually better for mild anxiety. Stress ball may provide temporary relief from situational anxiety by offering a sensory distraction. For long-term general anxiety, they can be part of a broader relaxation strategy but may not be the sole solution. Squeeze the stress ball as long as it effectively reduces stress and tension. Some people may find it helpful to squeeze and release the stress ball for a few seconds. While stress balls can be helpful for stress relief and relaxation, they have their limits and may not address all aspects of stress or anxiety. Stress balls may not effectively address complex or multifaceted sources of stress, such as work-related stress or relationship problems. If you have anxiety disorders like generalized anxiety disorder or panic disorder, stress balls alone are unlikely to provide sufficient relief. While they can provide momentary relief, stress balls are not a comprehensive solution for long-term stress management. Effective stress management often requires a combination of strategies, including attending therapy, exercise, and lifestyle measures. Stress balls are a pliable object designed for squeezing and manipulation. They can provide a simple, convenient way to relieve momentary stress and tension through tactical distraction. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, share, like, and comment.